Hey, what is going on? So I recently decided that instead of just posting my runs, I will instead make a video for every run. Bakit hindi? Anyway, routine Wednesday 10K lang to. Lalagay ko din yung stats dyan. Hanggang sa muli!